Are you looking for a natural way to boost your immune system, enhance heart health, and improve your overall well-being? Look no further than garlic water, a simple yet potent drink that can transform your health in unexpected ways. Garlic has been a staple in natural medicine for centuries, and cultures worldwide use it for its incredible healing properties. But when you drink it as garlic water, you unlock a whole new level of benefits that are easy to incorporate into your daily routine. And here's the best part: it's simple, affordable, and something you can start today. So stick around because you don't want to miss this as we dive into the top 10 health benefits of drinking garlic water daily, a simple recipe to make it at home, and some important precautions to remember. If you're passionate about natural health tips, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more life-changing content. Now, let's jump right into our top 10 health benefits of garlic water. Benefit number 1. Boosts immunity. Let's start with your body's first line of defense, your immune system. Garlic water is like a natural shield, packed with antiviral and antibacterial properties that help your body fend off colds, flu, and infections. Research even shows that regular garlic consumption can reduce the frequency and severity of illnesses. So, the next time you feel a sniffle coming on, reach for a glass of garlic water to give your immune system the boost it needs. Benefit number 2. Improves heart health. Your heart works hard for you every single day, so why not give it some love? Garlic water has been shown to help reduce both blood pressure and cholesterol levels, two major risk factors for heart disease. Allicin, the powerhouse compound in garlic, plays a key role in relaxing blood vessels and improving blood flow. By drinking garlic water daily, you could lower your risk of heart attacks and strokes, making it an easy yet impactful addition to your heart health routine. Benefit number 3. Detoxifies the body. Did you know that your body is constantly exposed to toxins, from the air you breathe to the food you eat? That's where garlic water comes in. It's a natural detox agent that supports liver function and helps flush out harmful toxins. Garlic contains sulfur compounds that activate liver enzymes, aiding in the breakdown and removal of toxins from your body. Think of it as hitting the reset button for your system, one sip at a time. Benefit number 4. Aids in digestion. Let's talk about your gut health. A healthy digestive system is the cornerstone of overall wellness, and garlic water can play a big role in improving it. This simple drink stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, which help break down food and absorb nutrients more effectively. It's also known to reduce bloating and support a balanced gut microbiome. If you've ever dealt with an upset stomach or sluggish digestion, garlic water might be the natural remedy you've been looking for. Benefit number 5. Regulates blood sugar levels. Managing blood sugar is a top priority for many people, especially those living with diabetes. Garlic water can be a game changer here. The compounds in garlic help balance blood sugar levels by improving insulin sensitivity and reducing spikes in glucose. Drinking garlic water daily could help you maintain more stable energy levels and even support long-term metabolic health. It's a simple, natural way to stay on top of your blood sugar. Before we continue, I want to hear from you. Have you already tried garlic water? Or are you excited to try it? Let me know in the comments below. Let's move on to benefit number 6. Supports weight loss. And here's one benefit that's sure to grab attention. Garlic water can aid in weight loss. It works in two powerful ways: by speeding up your metabolism and helping to suppress appetite. Allicin and other active compounds in garlic help your body burn calories more efficiently and reduce those nagging hunger pangs. Pair garlic water with a healthy diet and regular exercise, and you've got a natural, effective tool to support your weight loss journey. Benefit number 7. Enhances skin health. Who doesn't want clearer, healthier skin? Garlic water can be your secret weapon for achieving that radiant glow. Thanks to its powerful antioxidants, garlic helps combat free radicals, which are responsible for premature aging and dull skin. It also has natural antibacterial properties that fight acne-causing bacteria, reducing breakouts. By adding garlic water to your routine, you're not just nourishing your body internally, You're giving your skin the care it needs to look its best. Benefit number 8. Reduces inflammation. Inflammation is at the root of many chronic conditions, including arthritis and joint pain. The good news? Garlic water is a natural anti-inflammatory powerhouse. The sulfur compounds in garlic work to reduce swelling and pain in the joints, making it an excellent remedy for those dealing with conditions like arthritis. If you're looking for a simple way to manage inflammation, sipping garlic water daily could make a noticeable difference. Benefit number 9. Improves brain function. Garlic water may benefit your brain health. As we age, protecting against cognitive decline becomes increasingly important, and garlic's antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties play a big role here. They help reduce oxidative stress and improve blood flow to the brain, which can enhance memory and focus. Regular consumption of garlic water may even lower the risk of diseases like Alzheimer's and dementia, helping you stay sharp and mentally agile for years to come. Benefit number 10. Fights infections. Last but certainly not least, garlic water is a natural powerhouse when it comes to fighting infections. Whether it's fungal, bacterial, or even viral, garlic water can act as your body's personal shield. Its antimicrobial properties help protect against everything from the common cold to more stubborn infections like athlete's foot. Drinking garlic water daily strengthens your defenses, keeping you healthier and more resilient against the germs we encounter daily. So, now that you know all the amazing benefits of garlic water, you're probably wondering how you can actually make it. Don't worry, it's simple and only takes a few minutes. Start by crushing 1 to 2 fresh garlic cloves. Crushing them helps release allicin, the magic compound responsible for garlic's health benefits. Next, add the crushed garlic to a glass of lukewarm water. The temperature is important. Too hot, and you'll destroy the allicin. Too cold, and it won't activate properly. Let the mixture sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. This allows the allicin to develop and fully infuse into the water. Give it a good stir, and your garlic water is ready to drink. It's that easy. If the flavor is too strong for your taste, don't worry, you can tweak it. Add a splash of fresh lemon juice for a zesty kick or a teaspoon of honey to balance the flavor. Both options not only improve the taste, but also add extra health benefits. While garlic water has amazing health benefits, it's important to keep a few precautions in mind. Drinking too much garlic water can irritate your stomach, especially if you have a sensitive digestive system. It might also lead to mild side effects like bad breath or heartburn. Additionally, garlic can interact with certain medications, like blood thinners or medications for high blood pressure. If you're on any prescribed medication or have a medical condition, it's always best to consult a healthcare professional before adding garlic water to your daily routine. Remember, balance is key. Start with small amounts and see how your body responds. Dear viewers, garlic water isn't just a delicious drink. It's a powerhouse of health benefits. I encourage you to incorporate garlic water into your daily routine. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and share it with your loved ones who might benefit from this knowledge. Also, remember to subscribe to our channel for more videos on health and wellness. If there are any other health topics you'd like us to cover, please leave a comment below. Until next time, eat well, stay healthy, and take care of yourselves.